What's up, YouTube? Alright, how y'all doing? Hope all is well. Alright, here's the second Crown 3600 I ordered. I finally got it in today. So, just got off work. So, like a kid in the candy store, you know, I just can't wait. Just walked through the door, just grabbed the box, and I'm ready to do a video and open it up for you guys, alright? Because otherwise, you know, be done past this moment. These moments are special right here. Because you don't know what you're getting once you buy something off eBay or anywhere else. You don't know exactly what the condition is going to be. You don't know what's up. So you're kind of excited and you're kind of scared at the same time, alright? So let's see if this one is a whole lot better than the first one I ordered. And then I got another secret, another surprise. Alright, I didn't tell you all about I was getting, but I'll show you that after this one comes open, alright? So I'm just going to rip it open and to show you what it is, and I'll grab the other item and let you see, alright? So here we go. Some people were saying, why a heavy 3600 Crown? Pretty much everything I have is heavy, so extra 30 pounds ain't gonna hurt. So it's okay. But let's just say this. This is a very good amp. You know, it's been around a long time, and it's a pretty good bang for the buck right now. You know, I mean, CVR is pretty good. You know, they're excellent amps. I gotta say, way to go with CVRs. I mean, they came a long way, and they're right up there with the best of them now. So yeah, CVR, Power Soft, QSC, Crown. I mean, you can't go wrong. Lab groupings. Oh yeah, those are all the top dogs right there. But this right here, the price, can't beat it. And the wattage you get, and when I say wattage, I mean real wattage, okay? This is not those, oh yeah, this is 10,000 watts, you know what I mean, for $500 type of deal right here, or amplifier. No, everybody knows about Crown, and 9 times out of 10, the wattage that they put, you're going to get that, or you're going to get more than what they actually rated as, okay? So this is not one of those cheap amplifiers where you're like, okay, 3,000 watts, yeah, but it's really like, you know, 1,500 or something like that. No, what Crown puts is what you get. Alright, so there's some nice foam here. Alright, pull this bad boy out. Like glued in. Jesus. Like welded in foam. He used foam to make a kind of a bedding for it, and then let it sitting in there and dry and kind of hold it up straight. I don't know if you can see how it's straight up in there. Alright. Work it out a little bit at a time. Alright, so here we go. 10 minutes later. Finally got it out the box. Alright, so by the looks of it, this one looks like it's in much better condition than the first one. First thing I noticed, I have handles. The other one didn't have the handles. You can see that. I have handles this time. Not as much scratches. A little dirty, but I don't expect anything different. It's like everything I order, it's always dirty. I'm not sure why when I'm selling stuff, my stuff is like super clean. I clean that thing inside out just to, you know, make it look as good as possible. But it's almost everything I buy. People don't care, man. I mean, they could pull it out of their basement, their garage, and they just throw it in the box and send it to you. You know what I mean? But yeah, this one looks a lot better. Alright, I am pleased with this one. And let me show you what I was talking about with the power cable. Okay. Now this is a 30 amp plug. See that bad boy? That's what your stove uses, okay? Matter of fact, your dryer I think is 30. I think the stove is probably 50. It'll look a little bit bigger. The 50 amp is a little different, but this is a 30. You can plug this, you know, into a 120 30 amp plug, okay? Don't plug this into your dryer plug. That's 220, all right? You blow it up. But I'm just saying, it looks like your dryer plug pretty much. Okay, and here's an adapter. I can plug it into, you know, regular 15 amp. I am good to go. This is what's up. This is what I was talking about. I asked the question 1,000 times this time. Does it have a 30 amp plug on there to make sure? I asked the first guy, is it a 30 amp plug? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay. Are you sure? Yes, it's a 30 amp plug. But people will say anything to make the sale, but I didn't buy it from eBay or one of those stores where I can return it, so he got me on that one. Okay, that was a Facebook buy, marketplace. All right. I don't like to send things back. If it's a minor issue, I can deal with it. But that plug thing just rubbed me the wrong way because, you know, now I got to open it up and change the wire, you know, because this wire also says 10-3. Hope you can see that. All right. This is a 10-3. And the other one was a 12-3. Okay? That's what the amplifier needs to do. Do its full job, you know what I mean? You shortcut it and put a 15 amp, you're not going to get 100% out of it. You know, it's going to work, but you won't get that extra oomph that you need for subs, you know? All right, let me let you see the back of it. Alright, this one looks a little bit different on the back. There's no diagram here. The other one had a diagram. So I'm guessing they do it according to the year model or whatever the case may be. But I do have XLRs, which is a blessing. Alright, balanced input. These are balanced, these are unbalanced. Alright. Looks good. I'm happy, I'm pleased. I'm going to plug it in and see what's up. Alright, you're testing this with me. It's my first time turning it on. You know how I do my stuff. I bring it to you as I get it. Alright? So, let's power them up. Wow. See them lights go dim? That's right. Sounds good. Gotta love it. I'm happy about this one. Alright. But I got another treat for you. Alright. You guys got to start supporting me on Cash App or something like that. You know, DJ Show 1 at Cash App. DJ Show 1 King Legend. I've been answering everybody's questions because you guys have seen this already if you've watched my other videos. But I decided to get a second one. Right. what this is. Oh, you see those ears, you already know it's a Behringer. Alright. You don't see that? Another aNd 12,000. Alright, so this will be playing bass along with the other one. Alright, crowns will be playing subs, be playing 21s. These will be playing 18s and a couple of 15s. That's how I'm going to do it. But the crowns will be ran in bridge mono, so it will be one box per amplifier, bridge mode. So that's why I have two of those. Okay. One Behringer will be playing some 15s, and the other Behringer will be playing a couple of 18s. Okay. Power con manual. You guys know it works. If you watch my other video, seen it already. I'm just checking it out, make sure it's official. This is brand new. Okay, this is not used, so I just want to make sure it's never been opened. This one looks official. The first one I bought, it seems like it was retaped. I still have a thing, still think that amplifier was returned before, but this one is taped differently, so I can tell this one has never been opened. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Man. Look at that baby. I'm such a gear freak, man. Oh my gosh, I just love stuff like this. If you're a sound system guy, you know what I'm talking about. Or audiophile. You know what it's like getting new stuff. You know, some guys get new cars and jewelry, shoes, clothes. Yeah, we get audio equipment. Right, that's what it is. It's a passion, alright? So don't say he's crazy and buying all this shit. Oh no, it's just a hobby. Everybody has their hobby, right? Some people buy expensive fishing poles, golf clubs. You know, sound guys, we buy expensive speakers and amplifiers. Alright? So with that said, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Alright, please like, please share the knowledge, and you know we'll see you again. Another unboxing. Alright, DJ Show 1 signing out. Later.
King Legend, I kill sound.